ADM Revenue Raigada lodges FIR against BJP district president for harassment and caste-based insults. OASA demands action. Raigada, March 20, 2025. The Orissa Administrative Service Association (OASA) Raigada convened an urgent meeting today at the Circuit House under the chairmanship of ADM General cum President OASA Raigada. The meeting was attended by ADM Revenue CDO cum EOZP Raigada, the Sub-Collector, BDOS, Tahsildars, and other officials, as listed in Annexure A. The primary agenda of the meeting was to address the alleged misconduct by Shri Gopi Anand, District BJP President, towards ADM Revenue Shri Nihar Ranjan Kanhar. During the discussions, ADM Revenue informed the association that he had been subjected to inappropriate, impolite, and disrespectful behavior by Shri Gopi Anand on multiple occasions. This conduct, according to ADM Revenue, undermined his authority and was insulting to his role as a dedicated civil servant. In response to these incidents, ADM Revenue submitted a formal representation to the District Collector and DM Raigada via letter number 716 dated March 20, 2025. Copies of the memo were also sent to the Superintendent of Police, SP, Raigada, the President of the State OASA, and the Principal Secretary, GA and PG Department. Allegations of misconduct. ADM Revenue highlighted several instances where Shri Gopi Anand had spoken to him in an inappropriate manner, issuing verbal orders in a high-pitched tone. Some of these included directing him to visit SC and ST department hostels and instructing the SP of Raigada to call certain individuals. Demanding submission of information related to all central and state schemes, fund positions, and the contact details of all district-level officers as if he were a subordinate. Sending messages that allegedly contained offensive language, including an accusation that ADM Revenue was biased toward a particular political party. Additionally, ADM Revenue mentioned that, as a member of the Scheduled Tribe (ST) community, he felt targeted and humiliated by Shri Gopi Anand's repeated behavior. As a result, he has decided to file an FIR under the relevant provisions of the SC/ST Prevention of Atrocities Act, 1989, and Section 221 of the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, BNS. Broader impact on OASA's stand. Other civil servants also raised concerns about similar instances of misconduct. BDO Raigada reported that Shri Gopi Anand had misbehaved with him on March 17, 2025, issuing orders in an inappropriate tone. The Tahsildar of Bisam Cuttack also shared an incident where he was pressured to remove hoardings immediately without following due process. The OASA, Raigada, strongly condemned these acts, stating that such behavior is not only disrespectful to individual officers but also detrimental to the overall administrative functioning. The association emphasized that officers work at the grassroots level to implement government schemes in a scheduled district like Raigada and should not be subjected to such undue pressure and derogatory remarks. Call for action. The OASA, Raigada, has requested the State Association to take up the matter with the appropriate authorities. The association has urged for necessary steps to protect the dignity of OAS officers and ensure a conducive working environment for effective public service delivery. For Nation News, Sudhanshu Singh, Bureau Chief, Southern Orissa.
देखो ये जो आम ओएस एसोसिएशन मीटिंग करूँ रायगड़ा तो मुझे ओएस एसोसिएशन प्रेसिडेंट हिसाब से आमको जिते बड़े निहार भाई कहले जे आज्ञा लास्ट 3-4 दिन थर है माने 9 तारीख रे 14 तारीख रे 17 तारीख रे 20 तारीख रे जड़े मिस्टर गोपी आनंद जी की आमर बीजेपी डिस्ट्रिक्ट प्रेसिडेंट अच्छा से फोन माध्यम तार मेसेज कर फोन रे कथा से कहते जे आपण जो कथा कहते से गोटे माने तल कर्मचारी को बिहेव कला भाया से कथा गोटे जगह कहते जे कौन एपर्यंत बीजेडी हैंगओवर उतरुनी कि ये पर्टिकुलर लैंग्वेज से यूज कर जोटा कि गोटे गवर्नमेंट सर्वेंट माने आम जिते भी गवर्नमेंट कैपेसिटी काम करूँ एज ए गवर्नमेंट ऑफिसर काम करूँ समस्त को आम इम्पार्शियल हिसाब से काम करूँ किंतु से जगह जिते बड़े ये वार्ड्स यूज कर प्रतिवाद करके मीटिंग करूँ एवं से स्टेट ଆମର ଯୋଉ ଓଏସ୍ ଆସୋସିଏସନ ଅଛି ତାକୁ ଆମେ ଗୋଟେ ଲିଖିତ ଆକାରରେ ଜଣେଇଛୁ ଏବଂ କଲେକ୍ଟର ମ୍ୟାଡାମକୁ ଗୋଟେ ତାର କପି ଦେଇଛୁ ଏବଂ ଏସପିଙ୍କୁ ମଧ୍ୟ ଗୋଟେ କପି ଦେଇଛୁ। ସେ ନିହାର ଭାଇ ସେ ଜଣେ ଟ୍ରାଇବାଲ ଅଫିସର ହୋଇଥିବାରୁ ଏବଂ ଜଣେ ସିନିୟର ଅଫିସର ତାଙ୍କୁ ଯଦି ଏଇଭଳିଆ ବ୍ୟବହାର କରୁଛନ୍ତି ତାହେଲେ ଆମର ଅଲଗା ଅଫିସର ମାନେ ବି ଯୋଉମାନେ ଅଛନ୍ତି ଆମର ବିଡିଓ ହେଲେ ତହସିଲଦାର ମାନେ ସେମାନେ ଏଇ ଯୋଉ ଡିସ୍କସନରୁ ଜଣାପଡ଼ିଲା ଯେ ତାଙ୍କୁ ମଧ୍ୟ ସେଇ ପାର୍ଟିକୁଲାରଲି ସେ ଜଣେ ତାଙ୍କୁ ମଧ୍ୟ ଖରାପ ଭାଷାରେ ବହୁତ ସମୟରେ ମାନେ ସେ ଇଏ କରିଛନ୍ତି ମାନେ ପ୍ରେସର ଦେଇକି କାମ କରିଲା ଭଳିଆ କଥାବାର୍ତ୍ତା କରିଛନ୍ତି। ତ ଏଇସବୁ ଜିନିଷକୁ ପ୍ରତିବାଦ କରିକି ଆଜି ମିଟିଂ କରିଥିଲୁ ଏବଂ ସେ ଏଫଆଇଆର ଲଜ୍ କରିଛନ୍ତି ଯେହେତୁ ସେ ଜଣେ ଟ୍ରାଇବାଲ ଅଫିସର ତେଣୁ ଏଫଆଇଆର ଲଜ୍ କରିଛନ୍ତି ଯେ ମାନେ ମୋତେ ଟ୍ରାଇବାଲ ଅଫିସର ହିସାବରେ ସେ ମିସବିହେଭ୍ କରିଛି କି।
ଆଜ୍ଞା ୟା ପୂର୍ବରୁ କିଛି ବ୍ୟକ୍ତିଗତ ମାନେ ତାଙ୍କର ଥିଲା ନା କିଛି ଗୋଟେ ଅଫିସିଆଲି କାମକୁ ନେଇକି ସେ ବିଜେପି ଯେ ଏଠି ଅଛନ୍ତି?
ନାଇଁ ସେମିତି ବ୍ୟକ୍ତିଗତ କୌଣସି ନାହିଁ ମାନେ ମାନେ ସେ ତାଙ୍କୁ ଯୋଉ ମେସେଜ କଲେ ସେଇଟା ବ୍ୟକ୍ତିଗତ ଭଳିଆ ହେଇଛି କିନ୍ତୁ ମାନେ ମାନେ ସେଟା ଅଫିସିଆଲ କହିପାରିବନି କି ବ୍ୟକ୍ତିଗତ କହିପାରିବନି। ଆମେ ଗୋଟେ ଜିନିଷ ଯଦି ମାଗିଲେ ମାନେ ଜଣେ ପିଏ କୁ ଗୋଟେ କହିଲା ଭଳିଆ ଯେ ଆଜି ମତେ ଦେବାର ଅଛି ଏଇ ସମୟରେ ହିଁ ଦେବାର ଅଛି ସେଇଟା ମାନେ ଠିକ ନୁହେଁ। ଭାଷାଗତ ଶାଳୀନତା ନାହିଁ।